Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome falls under the racing luxury RV category. The unique Aston Martin Campervan 2026 combines the comfort and convenience of a high-end campervan layout with the performance and styling of a luxury automobile. The vehicle for recreation, structure and features. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome is a sporty aerodynamic car with LED lighting and a grille that is unique to the brand. The cabin offers a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious living area with a movable dinette, leather furnishings, and a stunning bathroom with a separate shower and toilet. The RV is 12 feet high and 28 feet long, and it can accommodate passengers. Operational proficiency and effectiveness. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome's 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine can generate 600 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque at the same time. Recreational vehicles typically come with manual shifters and 8-speed automatic transmissions. It is projected that Aston Martin Motorhomes will attain a combined fuel economy of 12 to 18 miles per gallon by 2026. Technologies and human protection RVs have a lot of ADAS. ADAS options include blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. Both educate and amuse. The recreational vehicle's entertainment system includes a high-end audio system with 16 speakers, a 10.25-inch touchscreen with GPS, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. It is projected that the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome will start at $800,000 and go up in price depending on the extras and degree of personalization chosen. Accessibility. In the second half of 2026, the motorhome will be delivered to several global markets. The premium RV 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome, which combines efficiency, comfort, and racing. This recreational vehicle is well suited for the greatest levels of road pleasure and adventure, thanks to its potent V8 engine, state-of-the-art technologies, and opulent comforts.